What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you all of my Nerf guns. So first, we're going to be showing you Peely Nerf gun. I'll go get a bullet. So this is how it shoots. Yeah, I know this is a seasonal gun. And we have another blaster that we're going to shoot. It is a Fortnite llama. Let's see how this goes. Oh my, the dart landed here. And now we are going to be shooting this. And I will load them up. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay. And now we will be shooting. Ugh. Gotta grab this dirt. So we're gonna be shooting this. Let's see. And then it's leaving far. And so now guys, next we're gonna be doing this blaster. And I will go grab a bullet. And yeah, let's see how this goes. Yeah. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. That was loud. And now we'll be doing this guy. I know it's pretty tiny. And let's go. And we are gonna shoot this game. That thing bangs. And now we're gonna do one that's the exact same. We're gonna do this one. And this time I'm gonna show you what bullet I'm grabbing. This is my bullet, and let's load them up. Got that. That sounded different. And now, what should we do next? Blaster. And let's do... I don't know which one to do next. Actually, let's do this dinosaur one next. So, yeah. See how this goes. Load them up, load them up, load them up. Reese's Puffs, Reese's Puffs. Load them up, load them up, load them up. Boom. Okay, now we're gonna do this little Spider-Man blaster. So, this is what we're gonna be shooting. It's on my hand right now, so let's get ready to shoot this boy. Oh my gosh, that was huge. Okay guys, so yeah, that one was awesome, and we're gonna do this blaster next, which is personally one of my favorite little blasters. So it's this guy here. See how fast it goes? Oh my, where'd that bullet go? I don't know where that bullet's going. Okay. And what blaster should I use? And let's do this one. Well, there's no cap bullets in this, but there. So, and this one is broken. And anyway, I'll show it to you guys. There, nothing cut out. And we are going to be doing next this boy. Ugh. Now let's go grab a dart. And here goes the dart. Oh my gosh, where'd that dart go? Well, I don't know where that dart went, but we're gonna be doing this one next. And let's load them up and put them on. And shoot. That shot right back at me. Oh my god. So we are gonna be doing, which one are we doing next? This guy. Let's load them up, load them up, load them up. Only with one dart though. So fill them up. I do not know where that dart went. So let's see what gun we should do next. And we're gonna do this. Oh my gosh, it fell on top of you guys. So I'm sorry that that fell on you, but let's load them up, load them up, load them up. Yeah. Okay, put this thing on, and now let's go. Oh my gosh. That thing smacked. That thing is going. And now what do we do next? This boy. We're gonna load him up. Load him up, load him up with this dart. Okay. Let's see if I put it in the right way. Oh my gosh. That thing shot really far. Oh my. Oh, what should we do next, guys? This boy. So it might take me a bit to load this boy, but let's shoot him. You got jammed, bro? Guys, we're just not going to use that blaster because, yeah, it's broken. So, let's use this boy. There's two ways that I can shoot. And let's load them up. And this is our dart. I know. And I can shoot another way, but it's a little bit more deadly. So if you have this blaster at home, tell me. And look, see this little black thing? Watch. It literally shoots out the blast dart. Isn't that crazy? Oh my. Okay, so what should we do next? We got two more blasters to go. Well, this one, I can't grab the darts and the little things for it. But anyways, I'll still show it. So, I'll just show you how it works, but I'm not putting any darts in it. There. And the last thing is, this one has darts though. But I gotta see if they're loaded up. Yep, they're loaded up and ready. So, yeah. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that dart went into the blaster pile. Can't believe that. Thank you for watching. Bye. Make sure to hit that subscribe and like button. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, bye.